raining just a little bit. It ain't gonna stop me though. That's why I bought this tent. Cover up my grill. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Bam. Got them cedar plates on there today, boy. Jalapeno poppers. Ooh, they about done. I'm about to take them off. Oh yeah. Them ribs, boy. God. Y'all can smell that. Oh. Got me a daggone smoker box down there too. Woo wee. Okay. My bad. A little bit of water dripping right there. That's how we do it. Rain don't stop me.